Inside the AI everyone is talking about.
The machine that learns. The invisible ghost. Think about the first hour of your day. You probably woke up, looked at your phone, checked your messages, maybe scrolled through the news. You did not see a robot. You did not speak to a machine. And yet, artificial intelligence quietly touched your life. Again, and again, and again. When your phone was unlocked using your face, that was not just a camera. It was software measuring patterns in your face. When your inbox did not fill with fake lottery messages, an invisible system filtered them out for you. When you opened your banking app, a program checked whether your behavior still looked like you. This is why artificial intelligence suddenly feels like a buzzword. Politicians talk about it. Business leaders talk about it. Technology leaders warn about it. It sounds mysterious, powerful, almost unreal. But artificial intelligence is not arriving in the future. It has already been living quietly inside your everyday life. For years. The difference is simple. The quiet roommate has learned how to speak. Welcome to the artificial age. In this series, the noise will be removed. The hype will be stripped away. And one simple question will be answered. What is artificial intelligence? The old way versus the new way. For most of modern history, computers were obedient machines. They followed instructions. If a programmer wrote, "If the user clicks here, open this window," the computer obeyed. But if something unexpected happened, the computer stopped. It could not guess. It could not adapt. It could not understand. It was fast, but it was fragile. This is why early robots were so clumsy. Imagine trying to program a machine to fold laundry. Every wrinkle, every fabric, every twisted sleeve would require another rule. The real world is messy, and no human can write rules for everything. So scientists realize something very important. We cannot program the world. We must teach the machine to recognize it. The child. A small child is not taught what a dog is through a definition. No one sits a 2-year-old down and says, "A dog is a quadrupedal mammal of the Canis family." Instead, imagine a mother walking in a park with her small child. They pass a big fluffy dog. She points and says, "Dog." A little later, they see another dog, smaller, different color, short hair. She points again, "Dog." The child hesitates. They look confused. These animals do not look the same. Then they see a cat. The child points, "Dog." The mother smiles. "No, cat." And slowly, without anyone explaining rules, something important happens in the child's mind. A pattern begins to form. Dogs look different, but they share something in common. You did not teach the rules. The child discovered them. This is how modern artificial intelligence learns. Not through instructions, through examples. A medical system is not told what cancer looks like. It is shown thousands of healthy scans and thousands of sick scans, and asked one simple thing: find the difference. The computer looks at the images, pixel by pixel, searching for patterns that no human eye could ever describe. The rules are not written by people. They are discovered by the machine. The library and the engine. If learning from examples is so simple, why did this not happen 50 years ago? Because the machine was hungry, and there was no food. There were no digital photos, no online videos, no searchable libraries. The world existed, but not in data. For decades, artificial intelligence simply had nothing to learn from. This period became known as the AI winter. Then something quietly changed. The world went online. Books were scanned, photos were uploaded, messages were stored, videos were shared. Without realizing it, humanity built the largest digital library in history. At the same time, another change happened. Video games demanded powerful graphics, and powerful chips were created to serve them. Later, researchers discovered something unexpected. Those same chips were perfect for training artificial brains. The library arrived, and the engine arrived. Together, they woke the machine. The tools, not the monster. Today, most artificial intelligence cannot think like a human. It is a specialist. A music system understands music. A navigation system understands roads. A camera system understands images. Each one is extremely good at one narrow task, and useless outside it. This is called narrow artificial intelligence. It is a tool, not a being, not a thinker, not a decision maker. But people are worried about something else. They are worried about a different kind of machine, a system that could learn any skill, a system that could switch tasks, the way humans do, drive in the morning, translate languages in the afternoon, write software at night. This idea is called general artificial intelligence, and no one knows if or when it will truly exist. The invisible body. But even today's simple AI is not floating in the air. It has a body. It lives inside buildings, inside servers, inside cables, inside machines. Every time a question is sent to an AI, it travels through fiber cables, sometimes under oceans, sometimes across continents, to reach real physical computers. And those computers use electricity. A lot of it. Artificial intelligence may feel magical, but it is built from steel, silicon, and power. In the next episode, the invisible becomes visible. We go inside the data center. We step inside the physical world behind artificial intelligence. The data centers, the chips, the energy, and the hidden infrastructure that is quietly shaping the future of our planet.